очень хорошо идет.
И как-то очень органично, мне кажется, дамы в венках выглядят в таких больших, но прекрасных количествах.
While my secretary, sort of a sexy blonde, can't cook. All she does is order from restaurants. All of the sexy ones I doubt could address clothes not washed proper and house look a mess. And talking to detectives that was waiting outside, how I took a long lunch break, day the wife died. I darn near turned pale, and because of betrayal they indicted me, gave me an impossible bail. Good fortune to anyone admiring the raw tent. Moral of the story is, desire is important. So watch your weight, it'll keep your mate smitten, it's a given. Though looking back I realize I didn't have to kill her.
What a surprise, open your eyes, woman of eyes.
I didn't have to kill her.
Cause there's no switching bosses, divorces.
Sent that ass right to the morgue and killed her.
What a surprise, open your eyes, woman of eyes.
I didn't have to kill her.
Cause there's no switching bosses, divorces.
Sent that ass right to the morgue. Well, there you have it. Keep fitting trim, keep your marriages healthy, you know what I mean? Small message from More Chiba and Slick Rick the Ruler. Peace.
They wanted me here just to show you my face. But when it comes to the crunch, I just hide in disgrace. You're calling me mad, but I know you're the same. Cause you gotta be seen to be playing the game. Yes, we gotta be seen to be playing the game. It ain't gonna hurt now if you open up your eyes. You're making it worse now every time you criticize.